Cattle are large ruminants domesticated for milk, meat, leather, and draft power. They form hierarchical herds and have a complex four-chambered stomach that allows efficient digestion of cellulose. Cow. Chicken. Chickens are the most numerous bird species on Earth, descended from the red jungle fowl. They are highly social, form pecking orders, and are raised primarily for meat and eggs. Chicken. Pig. Pigs are intelligent, highly adaptable omnivores with a keen sense of smell and strong social structure. Domestic pigs descend from wild boars and are raised globally for meat, while also being used in medical research. Pig. Rabbit. Rabbits are prolific crepuscular lagomorphs with powerful hind legs for rapid escape and constantly growing teeth. Domestic rabbits are kept as pets and for meat and fur, while wild rabbits form complex warren systems. Rabbit. Goose. Domestic geese are large, vocal waterfowl with strong family bonds and excellent grazing ability. They are raised for meat, eggs, down, and as vigilant guard animals. Goose. Goat. Goats are agile, curious ruminants, famous for their climbing ability and browsing habits on shrubs and trees. They are among the earliest domesticated livestock and thrive in diverse climates from mountains to deserts. Goat. Guineafowl. Helmeted guineafowl are noisy, social African birds with spotted plumage and a bony casque on the head. They form large flocks, forage on the ground, and are valued for pest control and meat. Guineafowl. Pony. Ponies are small, hardy horses standing under 14.2 hands, selected for strength, endurance, and ability to thrive on sparse forage. They are popular for children, driving, and work in harsh environments. Pony. Duck. Domestic ducks are versatile waterfowl descended mainly from the mallard, with webbed feet and a waterproof plumage ideal for dabbling. They are highly social, excellent foragers, and have been raised for meat, eggs, and down for thousands of years. Duck. Horse. Horses are powerful, social equids with exceptional speed, endurance, and a strong flight response. Domesticated for thousands of years, they have transformed human transport, agriculture, and warfare. horse. Turkey. Turkeys are large, ground-dwelling birds with iridescent plumage and a distinctive gobble. Wild turkeys are strong flyers and runners. Domestic turkeys are primarily raised for meat and are flightless due to selective breeding. Turkey. Donkey. Donkeys are hardy, sure-footed equids with long ears, well adapted to arid environments and sparse forage. They have served as reliable pack and draft animals for millennia and are known for their intelligence and strong self-preservation instinct. Donkey. Peacock. Peacocks, male peafowl, are renowned for their spectacular iridescent train used in elaborate courtship displays. They are ground-dwelling birds that roost in trees at night and are highly territorial. Peacock. Llama. Llamas are domesticated South American camelids, valued as pack animals and for their wool. They are social herd animals, known for their calm temperament, curiosity, and ability to spit when annoyed. Llama. Pheasant. Common pheasants are striking game birds with long tails and metallic plumage in males. They prefer open woodlands and farmland edges, and are widely introduced for hunting across many continents. Pheasant. Sheep. Sheep are woolly ruminants that form tight flocks and have been domesticated for meat, milk and fibre for over 10,000 years. They are highly adaptable to varied climates and terrain. Sheep. Quail. Common quails are small, secretive, ground-dwelling birds with mottled brown plumage that provides excellent camouflage in grasslands. They are strong migrants, known for their distinctive "wet my lips" call, and prefer to run rather than fly when threatened. Quail. Honeybee. Honeybees are highly social insects, living in large colonies with a complex division of labour and communicate via the famous waggle dance to share food locations. They are vital pollinators for agriculture and produce honey and beeswax. Honeybee. Water buffalo. Water buffaloes are large, powerful bovids well adapted to wetlands and tropical climates. They are extensively used in Asia for draft power, milk and meat, and are excellent swimmers. Water buffalo.